Really?
Yeah.
That was like in 2015. Otherwise, you never liked me?
No, maybe no. Before that, when you did fighting championship, right? No, Thailand trip. When you did martial arts, that time was the time when I looked up to you. Because
Why did you look up to me?
Because I thought you were very naive and very
Naive?
Yeah. Then like when you started showing like little bit of your skills and your passion, then I started liking, okay, she's going to getting to places. So that's when I started believing in you.
But did you think at one point that I was getting everything easy?
Like yeah, you were working hard, but I think you get what you asked for, and universe was giving a lot of that.
Fuck are you doing, man? Sorry. It broke!
It didn't break.
What?
Wait, I'll fix it.
It's not gonna fix.
And that's
It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. So you got half light.
Bro.
Yeah. It's okay, take this light.
I told you.
Yeah, I break things a lot.
Don't do this, bro.
She broke my football. Like, I mean, she didn't break it, she literally tore it.
The football story. So the football story. I was so tired. I'd come back home from school. 10th standard na padichittu. I came back home and I was on the bed and he was playing football. I told him, please don't play football. The ball is gonna come and hit on my face and I can feel that. He said, no, I am like Ronaldo and all those nonsense. Then I kept my eyes open because I knew the ball is gonna come and hit my face. After the 6th or 7th time, it came and hit my face. So I got so angry. I went to the kitchen. I got a knife. I sat on the football and I started like poking it and puncturing it. Were you scared of me after that?
No, but I thought you were psycho a little bit.
I think all the sisters are psychos.
Little bit.
No, all the brothers are psychos.
That makes the sister psychos.
I didn't ask for it, okay? Just happened. Both will fight for favorite food? Yeah. Because when we were young, we were only given a certain budget to have, outside food. So I got introduced to McDonald's long before him. And I was just praying அவனுக்கு வந்து McDonald's ஓட taste தெரியக்கூடாதுன்னு because if he gets the taste then he'll start asking and sharing my food. No, all brothers are psychos. So he'll start sharing my food ன்றனால I was like அவனுக்கு எதுவும் இந்த outside food கொடுக்கக்கூடாதுன்னு நினச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன். But once he tasted the nuggets, நான் pizza வாங்கினா he'll give me 2 slices or 1 slice. He'll have the rest. But thank God I have money now and I can buy my own pizza. I actually wanted to earn money so that I can buy my own food and I didn't have to share it with him. Hey, how many of you used to watch Pokemon? Because do you remember we used to walk from...
No, after tuitions it was Pokemon and no, more than Pokemon it was SWAT cats.
No bro, we used to walk from like our home till Berjuman, remember? For like to buy VCDs.
No, that was not.
VHS. That was Pokemon cassettes.
No, that was not to Berjuman.
Then?
That was to like Rafa said, Radom.
No.
Yeah, that was
still
cassette.
no. I remember once we walked till Berjuman. So we used to save money. Like we wouldn't take bus. Bus would cost us like 1.5 dirhams or like 2 dirhams each. So we would not take bus. We both will walk all the way till Burjuman, which was like a mall next to our house. Not very close to our house. It was like what, 5 kilometers?
2 kilometers. For you, it's all long.
So it's like 3-4 kilometers. We used to walk all the way, come back.
Dragon Ball Z, of course.
Dragon Ball Z, yay! Goku! And our dad used to give his money to buy VCDs of Pokemon. It was like 5 dirhams or something. So that was really good. Yeah, it was really good. Ash, Pikachu, Charmander. Who's Charmander?
Charmander is before Charizard.
The turtle.
Yeah.
Huh?
Huh?
Turtle. Charmander is who?
No. Before Charizard comes.
Who? Before what?
Charizard, bro. That one who gets angry on Ash. Before that it comes. That's Charmander.
That
Make some noise. Cha.
Pikachu! Wait, let's go to that room. Loud light. You broke this light.
We'll fix it.
Eho. Come here, bro. Hope you guys can see me now. My brother will look the same.
That's because
I told you.
I'm getting, if I get more light. And why you sitting on places where you get lighting?
Because of you. My face is bright anyway.
Because I used to go out and play, that's why.
What was your favorite cartoons, you guys? I used to love Tom and Jerry also. Mr. Bean. Mr. Bean cartoon was one of my favorite. I
Pogo.
think it was so good.
Pogo, right?
Yeah.
Pogo.
Pogo?
Yeah.
I never liked Pogo compared to Cartoon Network.
Yeah,
Like,
now it's become
the moment cartoon... I love Dexter so much. Dexter was really good.
Yeah.
Dexter was good because it was very much like me and my brother. What's Dexter's sister called?
Didi, I think. I think so, not sure.
So I think, yeah, Dexter we used to watch a lot. What else? Pokemon,
SWAT Cats.
Dragon Ball Z, SWAT Cats, yeah. Oh, I had crush on that fat cat.
Yeah. What we used to watch a lot though.
Johnny Bravo. I loved Johnny Bravo. It was funny. Tom and Jerry was legit. We used to watch it every day.
Yeah.
Then
What else? Any other show, guys?
I think that I don't know what show that is. That octopus thing, purple octopus.
Oswald.
Oswald. Oh, Oswald. I think.
And the train guys also. What is it called? Train also.
What train?
Some train cartoon used to be there. Very nice. I don't know. Oswald train.
I don't know, but Oswald was one of the most favorite cartoon of
What
mine.
was the first English movie that we saw?
Oswald, yeah.
What was the first English movie?
So I watched Jurassic Park.
No.
Then
It was Zatura. You remember?
that game thing.
Yeah, they play that game.
No,
that was
that's
the coolest English movie first time we saw.
No, I watched Titanic and I didn't understand anything. அதுக்கப்புறம் I had to watch it like a lot of times to actually understand the dialogues. Like, what are they doing? Why are they just kissing and not doing anything else? I didn't understand Titanic. I don't understand it now
movie was
also.
not about that itself. What?
I still don't understand Titanic because I think that door was big enough to have both of them. Do you agree?
Yeah.
I still don't get Titanic. I think we are boring now.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool. Shin Chan. What is Shin Chan?
I think that's the new cartoons with. I don't know. Even I don't know. I don't watch it. I've not watched it. But I know it's popular. It's a new thing. But yeah, it's for our time. It was Dragon Ball Z and Pokemon and all that.
What other anime do you watch now? I know people still watch anime right now.
I watch One Punch
It's
Man.
so surprising that people still watch anime now.
One Punch Man is
One Punch Man.
yeah, really
Um,
good stuff.
I think there is this movie.
Saitama looks like you.
Who?
Saitama.
Who's Saitama?
In one character in One Punch Man. You look exactly like him. He looks very nice.
Okay. I think I'd like to ask you questions now because
Yeah.
people keep asking me questions. Who's your favorite hero?
My favorite hero.
In Tamil.
Acting wise or look wise?
Hello.
Hmm.
Just who's your favorite hero?
Favorite hero.
In Tamil.
Tamil. I think I would go with probably currently
Mm.
Prakash Raj. I like his acting.
I'm asking about hero. Who's your favorite hero?
Not artist, okay. Hero. Cool hero. Karthik.
Oh, Karthi. Okay. Karthik or Karthi?
Karthi, sorry, my bad.
Karthi.
Yeah, because of his movie selections and all that. I like.
Okay. Name 5 of your girlfriends.
Don't ask complicated questions because then I'll be brutally honest. So
Just name them. It's fine.
no. Friends.
Yeah.
Friends. Okay, I'll probably. Right now, I have a friend in my call also. Actually, yeah.
Okay. What do you think about marriage now? Because you're a young guy and you're a millennial. I'd like to know what you guys think about marriage.
I think it's not the time to think about it. That's what.
No,
I think.
like generally, what's your opinion on marriage?
I don't know if you find someone who has focus on their own goal and lets you focus on their own goal, they both should get along and get married, and they have some sort of connection with each other. That's what you work out for this current sort of.
Okay, next question.
Yeah.
What impresses you the most in a girl?
Independent.
So you don't like girls who are dependent on you?
No. To me at least, no. I don't.
Okay. What do you think about who's your favorite actress in Tamil?
That doesn't have to be current.
It has to be current. What do you mean? You would just
Because
go
my favorite actors like Sri Devi and all I used to like.
When tell me one movie of Sridevi. Tell me one movie. Tell me one film of Sridevi ma'am now.
English.
That's
That's
no.
Yeah, that's her movie. If not, then okay. Currently, Trisha used to be my all-time favorite. Yeah.
Okay, like right now, I'm talking about someone who entered like 5 years back.
Are you
or
expecting
something.
your name? No.
No, I'm just generally asking you.
Probably I would go for who's the actor? Like the one who acted in Chitradari? Not Chitradari.
Kalyani.
No, Kalyani.
Oh, she's cute.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Kalyani too. Okay, so I think. Do you have anything else to tell them?
No, that's all.
Okay, thank you guys
Stay
for.
safe, you guys. And
Thank you for wasting your time with us. Do you want to say some mocha joke or something?
Mokka Joka.
Yeah. Any knock jokes that you know?
Till now, we were doing Mokka only, no. That is the Mokka joke. What's that?
Okay. Okay, you guys. Thank you for wasting your time with us. I know we are boring, but Do you realize we're wearing like almost the same kind
Exactly.
of
I was
t-shirt?
looking at it like, wow, like why are we like?
Yeah, mine says hi and bye. Mine says hi, bye.
Not today.
Not.
Not today. Try tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye, guys. Bye. Have a good day. I mean, evening. Bye.